Python just hit number 1, widest margin ever. So why is every serious AI team quietly rewriting Python out of the parts that matter? Because Python was never the engine, it is the steering wheel. The real math already runs in C, C++, and CUDA. The swap underneath just got louder. Rust walked in the side door. Ruff UV polars. Pydantic 2. Pip install polars and you installed a pile of Rust. Same Python face. Rust doing the labor. Mojo wants the last piece Python could never touch. The GPU kernel itself looks like Python, compiles like C++, one code base, Nvidia or AMD. The tell, Qualcomm paid nearly $4 billion for Modular, a chip giant buying the compiler that makes CUDA optional. Honest catch, Python is not dying. You will still type it in 2030. Mojo is young, the ecosystem is thin, nobody deletes the front door. What is dying is the belief that pure Python does the heavy lift, and that the fast layer must stay a locked black box. Rust from below. Mojo from the engine room. Learn a little Rust. Keep one eye on Mojo. Python built the AI era. It just will not run it alone anymore. Like and subscribe.